So now we're going to talk about ordering numbers. When we order numbers, it's the same thing. I want you to use the same tool. I want you to use the house. That's right. So when we have this, we are going to go ahead, and my first step is to always, remember how we separate larger numbers with that semicolon? I want to go ahead and box my numbers. So I make sure that I have the numbers separated from one another. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw my house. It's not pretty, but it's accurate. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. Now, when I'm going to go ahead and put these numbers in the house, I like to start it with my ones. So 9, 9, 1, 0, 4, 6, 3, 2. My next number, 0, 1, 9, 4, 3, 6, 2. Next number, 9, 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 2. I've done something that test makers do to try to trick you. I've used big numbers and I've used a lot of the same digits. So when I go ahead and look at these, I'm like, the twos. We look at the front, the greatest place that we have, the greatest value numbers, they're all the same. Does that help? No, it doesn't. Is one of them different? We have one that's different. So now I have to worry, am I doing this greatest to least or least to greatest? I've decided I'm going to do least to greatest. So is 3 less than 6? It is. So that number is going to be my first number in a series. I am also going to separate my numbers with a semicolon, and then I like to put a light pencil mark through that to make sure that I don't get confused. Now I'm going to go back to comparing. 3s are the same, doesn't help. 4s are the same, doesn't help. 9 and a 1. Remember, I'm going least to greatest, so which one's least, 1 or 9? That one is. So now I'm going to write that number down. Make sure I get my ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1, 10, 100, comma. And that leaves my last number in the series as 2, 6, 3, 4, 9, 1, 0. Always use the house. Place your numbers in the house carefully, starting at the ones place, and then compare using the front, the highest values, until you find the numbers that are different. Make sense?